There are millions of people on the internet, like the stars in the sky. But can you be the one to shine bright? There are many people online that do negative things, making others feel terrible, but why are they doing it? Just because you can't see their face doesn't mean they're not real people. Just because you're anonymous, that doesn't mean you can say whatever you want to people online. I mean, you wouldn't say nasty things to people in real life, right? Then treat people online with respect too. If you came up with something negative to say to people, try to keep it to yourself. Because by saying that negative thing, the negativity can cause some trouble. Spread. And can make people feel terrible. You may not be able to see it, but it can happen because the internet is big and many people can see the negative things you did online and get affected. The effects can be much bigger than you imagine. So don't be the one to cause that negativity and instead make positivity. If you saw something you really liked, go ahead and tell them they did a great job. Just like how negativity can spread, positivity can spread too. You can feel great, other people can feel great, and everyone can feel great. If you can be the one to start positivity on the internet and not the one to start negativity, you can sure shine online.